In this video, I'm going to teach you how to drive in Palm Springs and guarantee you can make $300 to $400 for any music festival or any tennis event. And this is for a friend of mine, Suzanne. She's going to come out here. She's got to make a lot of money. So here we go. One of the spots that's hot is right here. This is Palm Springs International Airport. Okay. Let's go next spot. Okay. Right now it's 7 o'clock, right? So around 9 o'clock, you want to be right here in downtown Palm Springs, and you can pretty much pick up anybody, okay? You can already see, oh, look at that. What did I tell you guys? Okay, this you want to avoid. Right now, if I go over here and I drop this person in 29 Palms, that's $55 there, and there's no money coming back, right? It'll take you away from Palm Springs, so I'm going to pass on this because I want to stay out here. That's $55 to go there, $55 to come back. Do not take that, okay? Let's go to the next spot. This right here is a golf course. It tends to be busy, but if you're right here in downtown Palm Springs, you can cover all of this area right here, okay? So this is good. Airport is good, okay? Airport is good as long as there's flights coming in. If there's no flights coming in, then the airport is no good, okay? Then let me tell you the next spot you want to go to. The next spot is right here. This is called Rancho Mirage. This is hot, but I'm going to give two X's here. Palm Desert is hotter, especially right around this curve. There's a place called The Nest. T-H-E-N-E-S-T. It's a local bar. It's always popping. You always can have rides, okay? Then the next spot you want to go to is La Quinta. Okay, hopefully I pronounced that right. La Quinta, okay? You can go here. There's a lot of money. You can drop people off, okay? Now I'm going to zoom out. I'm going to show you from a wider view what I'm trying to teach you here. Let's recap. Good, 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 very good. Okay, this is the hot spot because from here you can go back that way. You can go this way. Okay, once you get to La Quinta, which is down here, right? You might have to do dead miles of. It takes 15 minutes to get back here. If you can get a ride that somebody wants to go out and party, then you want to come back here. Anywhere here, and then you want to come back here, and this is the route you want to follow. Okay, now around 12:30 at night, this is where the Coachella event is. Maybe 12 o'clock or 12:30, whenever it ends, it gets hot right here. So at some point you're going to end up over here, and you're going to pick up passengers to make money. And same thing from here, you want to bring people to here, and where I told you earlier. Okay, now I'm going to tell you the spots you want to avoid. Do not take any rides to here. You might have to come to Indio to be at the Coachella event to take people, but you don't want to drop people off in Indio because there's no money here. There's no money here, right? You don't want to go that way. Okay. Then you don't want to go to Desert Palm because there's no money there. You don't want to go to Thousand Palms. There's no money there. Okay. You can come back to Cathedral City, but there might not be much money there, but you're close to Palm Springs. You're close to downtown Palm Springs, okay? You want to avoid, do not do Desert Hot Springs, because from here to here is 15 minutes, 15 miles of dead rides normally. You might get lucky if someone's going into town, but it's very risky, okay? You do not want to do Yucca Valley, which is over here, or Joshua Tree. You're not going to get anybody coming back. So if you get 50 bucks to go there, understand that's 50 bucks to go there, 50 bucks to come back, maybe hour and a half is gone. And the one that I passed on earlier was right here, 29 Palms. You can do this as a last ride if you want. But again, you might get lucky because there's Marines that might want to come out, but it's Sunday, tomorrow's a working day. But this is the furthest you can go to drive. And that's basically what I wanted to teach on what I learned about driving out here in Palm Springs right now. So let's zoom out. Let's look at this one more time. The hot spot is all of this area. Oh, I gotta zoom out a little bit more. Okay, hot spot is all of this area. This is oh, come on. Okay, hot spot is all of this area. This is Highway 111. You want to stay on Highway 111, right? That's it. As long as you're here on this side. And there's all mountains here, right? All mountains right here. This is all really good. And the side that you want to avoid is this side. Don't take any sides to any city on this side. Do not. Because once you go there, then you can't really get money coming back. There's not a lot of food places. There's not a lot of hotels and restaurants. You can get lucky, But if you don't know how to drive those areas, you're not going to be able to pull this off. Gotta calm myself down a little bit. Okay, yeah. You don't want to go to Oasis. You don't want to go to Mecca. There's nothing out here, okay? Alright, so now let me go ahead and send this video out to my friend, and then hopefully I have some time, I'll edit it. But for now, right now, that's all I wanted to say. Oh, I'll give you one more tip. When you're here at the Palm Desert Hotel, or Palm Desert City, Palm Desert might kind of come all the way up to here, right? So if you take a Palm Desert ride and you end up here, you might still be okay as long as you are in this area. See where all the dollar signs are, right? Even Rancho Mirage, you might take Rancho Mirage, and you might you might end up dropping people off in Rancho Mirage out here, because you know, the city kind of goes like this, right? That's okay. You just take one of these streets right here, and then you just come all the way back. You know, you take another seat. It's like a grid. You come all the way back. Or you can take a grid and you can come all the way back over here. The hottest spot in Palm Springs, or I'm saying Palm Springs because Palm Springs is literally right here. This is Palm Springs, right? But what I mean when I sometimes say Palm Springs is all of this area. I count all of this as Palm Springs sometimes, but people local here, they don't say it. They think this is only Palm Springs, and technically that is only Palm Springs. Okay, look, Desert Hot Springs is surging, right? $4.50 because people are trying to come out and party. But I still wouldn't take that chance. And if you look at it, it's like a grid, right? I would say the best place for anybody to drive is any ride you can get right here is the way to go, right here. Because from here, you can go this way, you can go this way, and then you can bring people back this way. You can bring people back. And there's only 3 cities you need to memorize there. One of the cities is missing. Palm Desert, Rancho Mirage, and Indian Wells. Indian Wells. Wells. Woo! Now, listen, let me show you the numbers so you can believe what I'm saying. I've done 8 passengers today, right? $241. We're going to go down here and we're going to look at the weekly summary. I'm trying to get another 150 or 170 so I can get close to 2,000. Right? Look, I'm passing all of this because I know there's something better over here. Let's look at Sunday, which is today, which is live right now. Okay? Active hours 7. Online 10. There's 3 hours of dead time. I took a little bit of break. But this is very good, right? And let me show you this compared to a bad day. Saturday, I messed up a little bit. So look how bad this is. This is 6 hours for 13 hours. And then I got pissed and I turned it off and I left. And if you look at the money, it's only well, I shouldn't say it's only 200 because 200 is good money for people. But you're able to make 365. You're able to make 423, right? You're able to pull. Wednesday, it was the middle of the week. I was learning the area, so I didn't know the tricks that I'm teaching you right now. So again, I'm not going to take any of those. I'm going to, hopefully in this video, I end up cherry picking somebody. That will be cool. Was I out here Monday? Yeah, look. So Monday, $315, right? Thursday, 423. Friday, 365. And today, I'm trying to hit 370, 400 again, so I can have 2,000 for the week. And look at the amount of trips that I'm doing. Let's say this is 49 hours active, online 85, but ignore this because I drive and I work on my YouTube channel at the same time. And I'm able to do this in only 58 rides. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe and hire me for consulting because what I taught you is 3 weeks of driving. Nobody on Uber, screw Uber. Nobody on YouTube is teaching you this. Cherry picking, and what places to drive, what cities to go to, what time to drive. And basically, it's going to be like this next weekend again because Stagecoach is coming out here. So literally, when you come out here next weekend, here, let me show you one more thing so you can kind of see what I did today. Sunday, go here. We're going to look at the activity. We're going to minimize this so you can get an idea. I'll start from the bottom when I started this morning. I started late. I started at 8 o'clock in the morning. Somebody canceled on me. Then I took this in order to reposition myself to where I go. But I took a little, it was still a decent ride right there. Then again, somebody canceled on me. And then I picked it up once I got to the cities that I told you. Look, $27. Then $13 to reposition. $25. Okay. Then a nice big one right here, 63. And that's what you want to do. You want to do some little ones to get that one big one, right? Then again, back down to little, little, and then 8 passengers. What do we have? In 8 passengers, we have $241. And of course, it helps to have a lot of tips. If you look over here, I've gotten almost $260 in tips. There's probably some cash tips in there too, right? All right, I gotta go.